Why does your scanner show the P2683 engine code? What does it mean? P2683 is a diagnostic trouble code for engine coolant bypass valve A, control circuit high. This engine code indicates that this valve controls the flow of coolant for both the engine and the passenger compartment heater. A fault here can cause a no-heat condition in the cabin, a slow warm-up, or potentially an overheating engine. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty engine coolant bypass valve, wiring harness issues, loose or disconnected harness, PCM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Volkswagen, Toyota, and Subaru models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.